The digital world is a noisy place. With millions of websites, blogs, and social media posts being published every day, it's easy for your message to get lost in the crowd. It's tough to stand out. The competition for attention is fierce, and capturing the interest of your audience is more challenging than ever. You need every advantage you can get, especially when it comes to converting visitors into paying customers. Traditional methods of copywriting, while effective, can be time-consuming and may not always hit the mark. That's where AI copywriting comes in. Leveraging advanced algorithms and machine learning, AI can analyze vast amounts of data to understand what kind of content resonates with your audience. Imagine having a tireless assistant crafting compelling copy that resonates with your target audience. This assistant never sleeps, never gets writer's block, and can produce high-quality content at scale. AI makes this possible, boosting your conversion rates and taking your marketing to the next level. By analyzing user behavior and preferences, AI can tailor messages that are more likely to convert. This isn't about replacing human creativity, it's about amplification. AI can handle the heavy lifting of data analysis and initial drafts, allowing human writers to focus on refining and adding a personal touch. AI tools empower marketers and entrepreneurs to work smarter, not harder. They provide insights and suggestions that can help you craft more effective copy in less time. In this essay, we'll explore the exciting world of AI copywriting, from understanding the basics to implementing powerful strategies. We'll look at how AI can help you identify the right keywords, create engaging headlines, and even optimize your content for search engines. Get ready to unlock a new era of marketing success. With AI copywriting, the possibilities are endless. Whether you're a small business owner or a seasoned marketer, AI can help you achieve your goals more efficiently and effectively than ever before. As we delve deeper into this topic, we'll also address some common misconceptions about AI in copywriting. Many fear that AI will replace human jobs, but the reality is that AI is a tool that can enhance human capabilities. By automating repetitive tasks, AI frees up time for creative thinking and strategic planning. It allows writers to focus on what they do best, crafting stories that connect with people on an emotional level. We'll also discuss the ethical considerations of using AI in copywriting. It's important to ensure that AI-generated content is used responsibly and transparently, maintaining the trust of your audience. Finally, we'll provide practical tips on how to integrate AI tools into your workflow. From selecting the right software to training your team, we'll cover everything you need to know to get started with AI copywriting. So, buckle up and get ready to explore the transformative power of AI in copywriting. The future of marketing is here, and it's more exciting than ever. Let's break down the mystery of AI copywriting. In essence, it involves using artificial intelligence to generate marketing copy. Think website content, social media posts, email campaigns, and more. These AI tools are trained on massive data sets of text and code. This allows them to understand language, grammar, and even persuasive writing techniques. But how does it actually work? You provide the AI with some basic information. This might include your product, target audience, and desired tone of voice. The AI then processes this information, generating multiple copy options for you to choose from. Think of it like having a brainstorming partner available 24/7. Two of the leading AI copywriting tools in the market are Jasper and Copy.ai. These platforms have revolutionized the way content is created, making it easier and faster for businesses and individuals to produce high-quality text. These platforms offer a wide range of templates and features designed to simplify your content creation process. From blog posts to social media updates, and from email campaigns to ad copy, these tools can handle it all. They are designed to cater to various content needs, ensuring that users can find the right template for their specific requirements. Whether you need attention-grabbing headlines, engaging social media posts, or persuasive product descriptions, Jasper and Copy.ai have got you covered. These tools use advanced algorithms to generate content that is not only relevant but also compelling, helping you to capture your audience's attention and drive engagement. Jasper, formerly known as Jarvis, is a popular choice for its user-friendly interface and powerful features. It offers a variety of tools that make content creation a breeze, even for those who may not have a background in writing. Jasper's intuitive design and robust capabilities make it a favorite among marketers, bloggers, and business owners. It excels at long-form content creation, making it ideal for blog posts, articles, and website copy. Jasper's ability to generate detailed and well-structured content sets it apart from other tools, making it a valuable asset for anyone looking to produce in-depth and informative pieces. Copy.ai, on the other hand, focuses on shorter form content, such as social media captions, ad copy, and email subject lines. Its strength lies in its ability to produce concise and impactful text that can quickly convey a message or call to action. This makes Copy.ai an excellent choice for those who need to create a lot of short, punchy content in a short amount of time. Both platforms offer free trials, allowing you to experience the power of AI copywriting firsthand. By trying out these tools, you can see how they can transform your content creation process, saving you time and effort while producing high-quality text. Whether you're a seasoned writer or just starting out, Jasper and Copy.ai provide the resources you need to create compelling content with ease. When choosing between Jasper and Copy.ai, it's important to consider your specific content needs and goals. Jasper's strength in long-form content makes it ideal for those who need to produce detailed articles and blog posts, while Copy.ai's focus on short-form content is perfect for social media managers and advertisers. Reading reviews and comparing features can help you make an informed decision about which tool is right for you. Ultimately, both Jasper and Copy.ai offer powerful solutions for content creation, leveraging the latest advancements in AI technology to help you produce high-quality text quickly and efficiently. By understanding the strengths of each platform, you can choose the one that best fits your needs and start creating compelling content today. Section 4. The Power of Persuasion Advantages of AI Copywriting. Now that you understand the basics, let's dive into the benefits of incorporating AI copywriting into your marketing strategy. AI copywriting is revolutionizing the way businesses approach content creation, offering a myriad of advantages that can significantly enhance your marketing efforts. Firstly, AI tools save you valuable time and resources. Imagine the hours you typically spend brainstorming, drafting, and revising content. With AI, these tasks can be completed in a fraction of the time. This efficiency allows you to focus on other critical aspects of your business, such as strategy development and customer engagement. Instead of spending hours agonizing over the perfect headline or product description, you can generate multiple options within minutes, freeing up your time for other important tasks. This rapid generation of content not only boosts productivity, but also ensures that you have a variety of options to choose from, enhancing the quality of your final output. But it's not just about speed. The precision and accuracy of AI tools are unparalleled. These tools can analyze your existing content and suggest improvements, ensuring that your copy is not only engaging, but also error-free. This level of detail can be particularly beneficial for businesses that need to maintain a high standard of communication. AI copywriting also helps you create more effective and persuasive content. By leveraging advanced algorithms, AI can craft messages that are tailored to your audience's preferences and behaviors. This personalized approach can significantly increase the impact of your marketing campaigns. By analyzing vast amounts of data, these tools can identify patterns and trends in language that resonate with your target audience. This means that your content is not only relevant but also compelling, driving higher engagement and conversion rates. This data-driven approach ensures that your copy is optimized for conversions, leading to increased sales and engagement. Moreover, AI tools can continuously learn and adapt, providing you with insights and recommendations that evolve with your audience's changing preferences. This dynamic capability ensures that your marketing efforts remain effective over time, giving you a competitive edge in the market. In addition to these benefits, AI copywriting can also enhance creativity. By generating diverse content ideas and variations, AI can inspire your team to think outside the box and explore new creative directions. This can lead to more innovative and impactful marketing strategies. Ultimately, the integration of AI in copywriting is not just about replacing human effort, but augmenting it. It allows marketers to work smarter, not harder, by providing tools that enhance their capabilities and streamline their workflows. As a result, businesses can achieve better outcomes with less effort, making AI copywriting an invaluable asset in today's competitive landscape. Embracing AI copywriting can transform your marketing strategy, making it more efficient, effective, and innovative. By leveraging the power of AI, you can stay ahead of the curve and ensure that your content resonates with your audience, driving sustained growth and success for your business. Section 5. A/B testing with AI, finding your winning formula. One of the most valuable aspects of AI copywriting is the ability to conduct A/B testing with ease. A/B testing involves creating 2 or more versions of your copy and tracking which one performs better. This data-driven approach allows you to continuously improve your messaging and optimize for conversions. AI tools like Jasper and Copy.ai simplify the A/B testing process. They can generate multiple versions of your copy with slight variations, allowing you to test different headlines, calls to action, and product descriptions. By analyzing the results, you can identify which elements resonate best with your audience and refine your copy accordingly.